Experiencing problems with Optimum Mobile? The most common reasons your service might not be working include network outages, data throttling, device incompatibility, or incorrect settings. Start with the basics. Restart your phone and toggle airplane mode. Then check Optimum's outage map at optimum.com/outage to see if there's a known issue in your area. Next, confirm your phone is compatible. It needs to be an unlocked GSM phone supporting 700 MHz LTE. Verify your APN settings are correct. For Android, it should be mobile.optimum. If data speeds are slow, you might be throttled after 15 gigabits on some plans, so check your data usage in the Optimum app. Also, make sure your device software is up to date. For ongoing issues, reset your network settings to default. If basic troubleshooting steps fail, try more advanced options. First, test your SIM card by inserting it into another compatible device to rule out SIM card failure. If experiencing issues indoors, it might be due to poor signal strength. Aim for at least -70 dBm or RSSI for good performance. Consider using Wi-Fi calling as a workaround for poor cellular signal. For persistent problems, contact Optimum support at 1-844-518-0668 or via chat. Use the AI-driven diagnostics in the Optimum app version 4.2.1 to help identify issues. Looking ahead, Optimum is expanding 5G coverage nationwide. They are also exploring satellite-backed roaming to improve coverage in rural areas. If problems persist, document the issue and escalate with evidence for better resolution.